Datay breaking news mga kapuso, in koneksyon gihapon ni maong balita. Karon lang yung hapon gipahibaw ni Cebu Governor Gwen Garcia yang ipadapli niya ang ginuwatang executive order kagahapong adlaw. Mahitungod kini sa bahan niya nga posibleng magatubang og kaso ang mula pa sa naobol nga provincial ordinance sa pagdawat sa mga OFWs o mga ROF. Kinhuman na mahayag sa Presidente Rodrigo Duterte nga mupatigbabaw gyud ang IATF guidelines nga iyang giaprobahan o kinahanglan maoy masunod.
In deference to the President, I am announcing right now that the executive order that I issued, EO 23, yesterday, reminding all heads of government agencies that the provincial ordinance was in effect and reminding all of the possible criminal and administrative charges that may be filed upon violation of such ordinance. This executive order I am now setting aside in deference to the President, even as I set aside EO 23. We shall continue with the swab upon arrival policy because we have found that doing this gives us better control at those that arrive already testing positive.